outside and I'm about to start the installation process. So here what I'm doing is I basically braided the root and I attached the hair using, I think I used about 4 pieces. And once I braided the root, I literally just 2 strand twisted the ends down. I wasn't in a rush to do my hair, but I was just in a rush to get the process done. So I literally just twisted it all the way down to the ends. That's the really most important part about doing the pass and twist, is making sure that you guys twist all the way down to the ends. You could use some products while twisting. I personally didn't, because again, I knew that I was going to add mousse and gel and stuff like that once I got done. So here you guys are just seeing me just twist down pretty much each twist. It took a total, I would probably say maybe about 3 hours total. Don't quote me. But again, my sides are shaved and I literally just have the top of my hair out. So, you know, I really didn't have to do too much. But just stay tuned, you guys. I'm going to show you guys the final results and how I did this. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm back and this is the final result. Oh my god, I am so in love with these passion twists, y'all. Like, I finally got an opportunity to do them and I am in love. Just to give you guys a little bit of insight about the twist, I only have 12 twists in my head, y'all, so don't get it confused. My sides are still shaved. But for those who do have shaved sides and do have your natural hair going at the top, you can still wear a full look. Like, there's so many different styles we can wear. I wear twists, I wear locks, I wear braids, but this was my first time doing passing twists on myself and I'm so happy that I did it. When I did the look, I knew that I was going to use the Water Wave by Freetress because that's usually the most common hair that we use for passing twists. However, I wanted longer twists, so I'm going to stand up and show you guys how long these twists are. So they actually come a little bit past my butt. They're so cute. Yes, y'all. So these are the final results and I'm so happy I did these. Y'all can tell by the smile on my face, like, this is a look, okay? I did do the braided root because I got lazy and I did not feel like doing an invisible root method. If I was a little bit more, you know, pressed for the look, I would have probably did it, but I really wasn't. So yeah, my roots are braided and I just went ahead and twisted each one down. I attached that insert in the video, as you guys just seen. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I am definitely trying to make more YouTube videos for you guys, and I can't wait to show y'all all these different hairstyles because natural hair is very versatile. You know, like I tell my clients all the time, you can get really creative with your natural hairstyles. You do not have to be limited. And there's ways to, you know, spice up your look. Like, this is a thing for me. I'm in love. All right, y'all. Peace.